I'm still geeking over this thing. I mean, it's crazy that I'm getting a Urus within a couple of years of having this business running to get to wrap one. And yeah, I mean, I'm treating it like I treat every car like it's my own. That's normal. But it's a car. He dailies it. He told me, the car has signs of being used, like little dents like that on the hood, rock chips on the front. It's not like I'm, doing anything crazy. I'm obviously being a little bit more careful, but just like any other car, any other wrap, I'm doing it as if it's my own car, and I'm taking care of it as if it's my own car. So that satin black finish, you can't beat that. Thing is gonna come out crazy. So I wish I got that front piece done today, so you guys can see how mean the front end's gonna look with the satin black, because it's pretty much done. But yeah, you get an idea. Anyway, I'm gonna time lapse everything starting tomorrow on the phone, just in case the GoPro messes up, which it already did. So I got to do it the old school way till I figure that out. And yeah, I know this intro's long, but shit, it's guys, so car's fully wrapped. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse. I did get some of the front and rear bumper this time, and I think I recorded, you know, one full side because obviously it's just the same thing on the other side. So yeah, I had to do it on my phone again because the GoPro was tweaking, but it's all good. Lambo's all done, looks beautiful. Satin black. The shine is crazy. And not the shine, but like the sheen that satin has just looks amazing with the body lines and everything. So all the carbon pieces, those ones are all back on. Now you can see them. This front end looks ridiculous. I have crazy pictures. He's gonna come back for ceramic coating and any touch-ups if needed, which I doubt, but yeah, he's gonna come back in a week after I do the next one. Full wrap done, satin black. Can't beat my prices. Hit me up if you need a full wrap, man. I take this shit serious, and I treat every car like it's my own. Everything's beautiful. So yeah, I put on all the carbon pieces. It's just 3M tape. You know, hopefully it doesn't fall off because that would be crazy. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think this is like the best color choice other than like a satin dark gray that he was originally gonna go with. But this kills it, man. In person, it's like, it's a color that pops, but it's not like crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not like a bright neon or some shit like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's just classy. It makes the body lines pop. Like you can see on the hood, like those body lines are crazy in this head. So yeah, man, Lamborghini is done. It wasn't even too bad. Like the front bumper was okay. Took a bit, but you know, you would think, you know, a car with like jagged edges, like that front bumper or whatever. The rear bumper barely has any, barely anything to wrap other than the sides right here. Yeah, I mean, it was pretty decent. I think other cars are harder than this, to be honest. Maybe if these carbon pieces weren't here on the bottom of the door, normally that probably comes painted. So I have to do all that. It's a lot of extra work, but I got away with it because he has carbon. Yeah, there you go. Full wrap. Done on a Lamborghini. This is gonna be one to remember. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it.